Oh, heel and toe. So I think it's really kind of funny that people call cold weather boost weather. Because then shouldn't they call like warm weather traction weather? Because driving in the snow in this car with these tires is some of the sketchiest things, is one of the sketchiest things I've ever done. Like, so back when it was starting to get really icy and really snowy, you know, I usually, oh, there's a lot of road noise. I usually drive myself to class on Mondays and Wednesdays. And there's a couple intersections I have to do turns at, and I'd never really properly driven in icy, snowy conditions before until then, and I put in a little too much throttle in the turns when I first started driving in the snow, and oh my gosh, it's bright. And so I did this really slow, awkward all-wheel drive slide through the intersection, and I'm just going really slowly, really awkwardly, didn't even look cool. And the engine with the traction control is just going, and I'm just thinking, everyone is watching, because I wasn't going to crash, but it was just really kind of embarrassing, because it wasn't even a good slide, it was just, but yeah, so that was funny. But yeah, hooray for traction weather. I'm able to do launches again, and I don't think there's any intersections coming up where I can do launches. I kind of want to turn around because I don't really care for being out here or having road noise in the video. There's a turn coming up where I can turn around. Okay. Just going to use this to turn around. These are some nice houses. Just looking around. A 2-car garage, a 3-car, no, that's a 4-car garage. Oh, that's the dream. Keep all your nice cars safe from the elements. That's nice. Just in the middle of nowhere too. They might not even have to like do emissions tests and stuff. They might be exempt. Here we go. Oh, I might be able to do a launch. All right, here we go. That wasn't too bad. I wonder what the 0 to 60 was on that. I'll have to check when I'm doing the editing. Because the 0 to 60 on this car should be about 5.5 to 5.7 seconds or something like that. I'd like to get it below 5, like under 5, but like even if it's like 4.9. I'm hoping with good tires and driving in a tune, with the airbox and the intake and the Cobb Access Sport Stage 1 and stuff, hopefully that'll be enough for an under 5 second 0 to 60 if I can do the launch correctly. But that felt like a good launch. I haven't been able to do a whole lot of practice, obviously. I like the way the tires sound. I love the sound of tires squealing. For whatever reason, it still sounds good. I don't know if there was any smoke, though, with the tires. There might have been. Ooh, no one's going to be in the way. Is there any cops nearby? I'm looking around for cops. They're black and whites anywhere? I think we might be okay. Well, we might be good. I don't see any behind me, I don't think. Nope. So I wonder what that 0 to 60 was. Man, it feels good to be driving. I like driving. I like driving for fun. Although I do like driving with a destination as well. I just like driving in general. Any excuse to drive is a good one. except for running from the police. Don't do that. Just don't do that. That's not a good idea. I'll eventually have to think of a new intro for the next season so I can make the different seasons stand out and stuff so that you guys know which one you're watching. Maybe I should put season 3 in the intro next time so that you guys know where you're at. The channel's been doing really well though, I've got to say. We're at 365 subscribers as of me recording this right now, which is awesome. We are estimated to hit 1,000 before 2019 is over. So we'll hit 1,000 subscribers this year, which means we'll go into the YouTube Partner Program and all sorts of other cool things. And that's very exciting. Lots of awesome progress. So this will turn into a hobby that might pay for itself a little bit as long as the channel keeps growing the way it is. I just got to keep doing the content you guys like. You guys seem to really be coming mostly for the car content, which is why I'm getting rid of the gaming stuff. Car Topics Explained will always be the highest quality. This will probably be second highest, hopefully. And then my cars will also hopefully be good quality as well. Everything all around will be good quality, but in terms of priority, Car Topics Explained is where it's going to be at. Because a lot of those videos have a few thousand views, 10,000 views, or even 20,000 views. Like the one about importing Nissan Skylines has over 20,000, and how to build Brian's Skyline from Too Fast, Too Furious should have 10,000 by now, or very close. And then everything else has at least 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, which is pretty cool. Pretty dang cool. Oh my God. Those are giant wheels. Well, those wheels only say one thing, and it's fuck ride quality. And it's interesting. So normally when I drive around, you know, like by myself and stuff or with other people, I'm usually playing music. But obviously because of copyright and stuff, I can't play music. But I really like listening to music in general, and so listening to music and driving, two of my favorite things to do combined, that's a good experience. I recently bought a CD back from 2001 by Live. It's an album by Live, and it's the album that has the remix of Deep Enough from the Fast and the Furious. And so why did I get that? Why not just get it on iTunes or Spotify? Well, that's because that song, the official file of that song, is not available on Spotify, iTunes, or anywhere like that. You can download it off of YouTube if you are so inclined and you're that kind of person. Piracy. You can do that. But I wanted as much quality as possible. I didn't want to lose any quality by downloading it from YouTube. And so I got the CD because that's the only way you can legitimately buy that song. And it had it, which was good. It would have been really weird if it didn't have it, because then it's like, where do you get it? But yeah, Deep Enough. I have it. I've been listening to that a lot. I also have a lot of other songs on the Fast and Furious, like Debonair and other things like that. But I listen to I like Sweet Child of Mine. For road trips, I can listen to all sorts of country music or Born to Be Wild, and a few other things. I have a huge playlist of songs. It's huge. It's huge. Maybe I could put together a YouTube playlist with all the songs I listen to in it, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Because there's no way I could remember all of it. Because I listen to all sorts of different music. There's even a little bit of orchestral music. That guy had a camera. He had a GoPro on his chin.